Mohan, there are many ways to invest in bonds again. There are websites such as Golden Pie, India Bonds, and Fixed Income, and so on. And then you can also invest in bonds through your trading platforms. So, why Rupee Rakshak for bond investing?
A lot of people who look for investing in these platforms that offer bond transactions. In fact, many of the stock exchanges offer government securities. There are many broker platforms they offer, and of course there are exclusive platforms only for bond buying, and people are buying also. But if you see the statistics in terms of, again, what is the size of investments, here people are buying for 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, which means they are basically testing the waters whether it works for me or not. In fact, bonds is relatively unknown asset class for the common public. People know FDs and bank FDs, and they are afraid of anything else other than bank FD. So, these platforms, what they are offering is a good thing, I mean, as a product, but what I am saying is, as an investor, again and again I will ask the same question: why are you investing in any bond for that matter? You have a bank FD and you are getting, let's say, 6.5% return in a year for an FD in maybe SBI, Canara Bank, Vijaya Bank, and somebody said, why don't you, there is an advertisement, you saw this platform, 8% return, 9% return. So, you saw and you thought, okay, I will get 2% more. But do you know what is the safety in the bond? Return is not everything, but what about the safety? How safe is it compared to your bank safety? How much high returns is it giving compared to your bank FD? So, what to buy? Now, whatever if they are advertising, would you simply buy that?
Well, many of us don't even know our risk profiles also.
Absolutely.
I mean, while investing in bonds.
Yeah, so it is bond, any fixed interest instrument does not mean that it is safe. So, there is a default risk. So, even there are many countries, you don't buy, many countries are rated BBB minus, BB minus and all that. So, country itself is not safe to invest. Forget about the companies to invest. So, it is very important to know that what you invest in bonds, is it serving your purpose? What is the purpose that you are investing? You want safety, but with the same safety, without compromising, like my bank FD, it should be safe, but I should get little extra returns. This is for large investments. Bonds are not for 10,000 rupees. If you have 5 crore, 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, that is where you should come to the bonds. And even if you have 10 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, you want to safeguard that, then you should come to bonds. And now, if you are very serious player, that is why we have Rupee Rakshak bond basket. This is not for those who will just put some 10,000 rupees. We are an advisory company, and we are here to tell you what is your requirement, what is your risk profile, what bonds are suitable to you. Is there an option? Because we don't decide the availability of the bonds, that is the market that will decide. Today something is available, next week something else is available, the coming month a different opportunity is available. So, what we have done, we have the research desk in the debt market, in fixed income instruments. We understand global markets, local markets, currency, commodity, bonds, how there is interactions happening, what is the yield likely to change in next 3-4 years, is there an opportunity to enter now. So, there are a lot of research and lot of objective information that is likely to do well in future, and when should you buy, how long should you hold, these are the important decisions. So, when we suggest, when people come to the bond baskets in Rupee Rakshak platform, you will get to see everything what you see in any other platform. But the difference is here, we check what is your requirement, we suggest you what is right for you, and we don't have any bond which is less than 10 lakhs. Just to be very sure, because if you are a serious player, then only it makes. On a 10 lakhs, instead of getting 60,000 rupees, if you make 90,000 rupees in a state government bond, 30,000 makes a big difference. For doing nothing, doing the same platform, whatever you do in any other platform, you do it here also. But there is an advisory team whom you can trust. There is a capability, there is research, there is an interest to take care of your good. So that is why should you come to Rupee Rakshak? And if you are a serious big investor of FDs, and if you have substantial money in bank FDs, that is why you should come to Rupee Rakshak. Otherwise, it is, you can go to any platform and do any number of transactions and keep testing it, but you will never find anything meaningful or useful for yourself, because it requires a lot of research. If you are putting serious money, 1%, 2% difference, it will do well for 10, 20 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crores. On a 1 crore, 2% more if you get, you are making 2 lakhs a year with the same safety. It won't make difference for a 10,000 rupees bond or 20,000 rupees bond. It is not even worth talking about it or doing the transactions. So Rupee Rakshak baskets is for serious people. If you are not sure why should you invest in bonds, you will attend the session. We actually conduct Raghu, a session every Saturday for people who want to understand how to use this bond baskets.
Okay.
And lot of people, they were not even know that there are such products available. And even if it's available, they have lot of doubt, lot of fear in terms of, is it safe, should I invest? So if you start with 1-2 papers, then you will get to know how actually it works, how interest payment keeps coming to you, your bank. So once you see 2-3 interest payments coming in, you will start getting confidence that, okay, this is a working system, it's completely legal, and it is completely transparent, and I can see my holdings, I can see my interest amount coming back to my account, and I can exit these bonds also. That's the beauty. So we provide end-to-end solution, right from ensuring your requirement, and if you need money in 3-6 months, we'll never ask you to even invest in the bonds, because there is a need. That need can set what these bonds can satisfy, how it can give you higher return, but it is meant for a certain period of time. And if you don't have the time to wait, then we suggest you. And if you need after 1 year, 2 year the liquidity, we provide that liquidity. It is like knowing somebody that he is working in your interest and he is an expert, and then trying and testing whether it works for you with 1 or 2, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Then you see the benefit, then you come big.
Okay.
So that's the advantage. So if you are not aware of about bonds, and if you are having a lot of fear, but you still have bank FDs, please note that is the first session that you should attend. From Rupee Rakshak, our experts will come on a weekly on a Zoom call. You register for these sessions on our website and come and ask questions, understand how it works. End of the day, your hard-earned money, even if it gives you 1-2% extra, because anyway you are going to lose taxes. So if any growth is always welcome. So get that extra whatever is possible in any given opportunity that is available in the market. Attend these sessions is what I would suggest.
Thank you, Mohan. Viewers, we will post the link and the invite for these Zoom sessions in the comment section below and in the description. So please do attend and get to know more about the bonds. If you like our news and views, subscribe to Rupee Rakshak News channel on youtube.com. Thank you for watching Rupee Rakshak News.